Okay, so yes, and in this video we're going to show you the best logo maker for your Android device. Yes, this is the best logo maker, and also I make logos with this. So let's get started on the content. So the logo maker I used to make my logo is DesinEvo, which is considered as a good logo maker. So I personally use this one. I personally use many more of this. There are many categories here, also technology, also all the categories. The first is popular, abstract, animal art, transportation. It lists all business, education, fashion, food, industrial, later lifestyle, medical, environment, sport, technology, and travel. Means all kind of what you call logos, templates are around here. So I will make one of these. So yes, let me make here. So it will take some time in order to load, but if you want to change the color, you can change this. Yes, you can also change the color of this, but it is completely now right. So the company name means take result. So yes, just click on done and add a slogan. My slogan is sharing no LADGE technically. Yes, sharing knowledge technically is my slogan for my what you call channel. Yes, every channel has to get into slogan so that their channel grow properly. Yes, and you can add your some own text here, just like this. Subscribe now, and yes, you can also change the font here. Basin mountain. Okay, we have made a logo for our channel, and how it is. May I make a logo just like this? If yes, then please share your questions in the comment below, and link is in the description. That download the application. So you just click on that corner, right corner, that top, and you will get save options. Click on save, and if you want to save on JPG, notepad, transparency, yes you can, but I will save it. So yes, look at my gallery. So when I look at my gallery, it has, I made some pictures here. Where it is, it will in gallery section here only. So I don't need this for them. Okay, I don't need this. This can be saved in your gallery. If it not saved, just saved again. Now it said it's saved. So yes, it has been saved. Now you can just apply on your YouTube. So yes, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.